Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you two methods to change Wi-Fi password in ASUS ZEN WiFi XD4 Plus. Let's get into it. Method number one is ASUS Router application. So just open the app, tap on this Wi-Fi icon at the right and then tap on this big icon. This is your Wi-Fi settings. Here is your password. By the way, you can also change your network name. You can tap on this eye to see your password, tap on the password over here, delete your old password, enter a new one, and hit save. After this, hit apply. Okay, after this your devices will be disconnected from the network because the password is new and you have to connect your smartphone and other devices like laptops and so on from scratch. So once that apply pop-up disappeared, you need to open your Wi-Fi settings. Then find your network. Here it is. Tap on eye icon next to it. Forget this network. Forget it. Then find it once again. It's here and reconnect with your new password. Also, you can change Wi-Fi password from web interface on your computer. To do this, stay connected to the network of your ASUS ZEN unit, then open any web browser and in the search bar enter ASUS Router IP address. By default, for ASUS routers, it looks like this: 192.168.50.1 if you haven't changed it yourself. Once entered, hit enter key on your keyboard, and now you need to enter your admin credentials over here. You should know this information because you've created it yourself on the router setup. Next, sign in. And in this menu, you need to find wireless. On this left pane, click wireless. And here is your Wi-Fi network name and somewhere here, password as well. So change your password and don't forget to reconnect all devices. That's pretty it. If that was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, any questions, comment below, and be awesome. See you in the next videos. Bye guys.